1 upon 3 ratio 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon 18 ratio 1 upon 12. We have to find the value of b. So here b. So first of all, this is a ratio proportion. So we multiplied extremes with extremes and we multiply means with means. So here extreme 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon b multiplied by 1 upon 18. So now it's 1 upon 3, we multiply this, it becomes 1 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon b multiplied by 1 upon b multiplied by 18. So now b is in divide, we change the b on the opposite side, it becomes b multiplied by 1 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 18. So now it becomes b upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 18. So now we change the 36 on the other side, it divide, it becomes multiply. So b is equal to 1 upon 18 multiplied by 36. So 18 1 the 18, 18 2 the 36, 2 1 the 2 1 the 2. So it becomes b is equal to 2.